Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how someone shares their mobile screen on a Facebook Live video? I'm going to show you today how you can do that without having to pay for a third-party app. You will need to utilize 2 free accounts through third-party apps. However, you will not have to pay for anything. Cool? You excited? I'm excited to show you. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you're going to want to register for a zoom.us account. You'll want the free version. Once you have that, you'll need to download the app onto your computer. Next, you're going to open, if you don't already have a Facebook account, which I'm assuming at this point you do, you're going to want to create that. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Zoom account. You're going to see a My Account over here. I've already previously logged in, so I'm just going to go ahead and load that page. Up in the upper right-hand corner, you see Host a Meeting. You want to select Screen Share Only. Once you select this and you've previously downloaded the app, it's going to prompt you to open the app. So you want to go ahead and do that. Next, you're going to see this window pop up. Notice that down in the bottom left-hand corner, I have unselected previously Share Computer Sound. This is important. The reason for this is because your sound for your live video when you're sharing your phone screen on Facebook is going to come through Facebook Live rather than Zoom. You want to ensure that you don't have sound selected through Zoom as well, otherwise you're going to hear a lot of feedback while it competes with the 2 sounds. So you want to make sure that's selected. Next, you're going to select iPhone, iPad via cable. You'll notice that I have my iPhone already connected by the cable. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And then down in the bottom right-hand corner, select Share Screen. And we'll wait for that to load. Oops. So now you'll see my phone screen there, guys. And it's going to give you an extra alert just to ensure that you do want to, in fact, continue without audio, and you do. So we're going to select that. Next, you're going to open a tab for Facebook. Now, I've previously created what I call a test group. This is a private, it's actually a secret group on Facebook that enables me to test out features on Facebook, maybe that it's been newly released, or for instances like this where I'm doing a demonstration. That way there, no one else is affected by the test. So I do suggest that you create one for the purpose of that. You're going to select Live Video as your option. Hi guys. Next, you're going to, if you're putting this on your wall, you'll want to select or type in a description for your video as well as a title, and then you're going to select Share Screen. This little window pops up. Normally, when you share a screen for programs such as Facebook Live, when you're not connected to another third party, or when you're sharing through something like BeLive TV or Zoom, this is normally what you see people selecting as their screen share. However, we're going to select the Application Window tab. Here, you're going to see usually 4 options. You want to select the option that already shows the screen for your phone, then select Share. Now you can see that I'm going to minimize this. You can see that my phone screen is showing up on Facebook. I haven't hit the live button yet. It allows you to have a preview of what your audience is going to be seeing. So you can notice that on the sides of your phone screen on the Facebook Live, there's a black screen there. That means that that's all they can see. They don't see your entire background of your computer, which is great because when you're doing a tutorial live on your phone, you don't want them to have to see all the extra. You'll notice also when I'm talking that over here in the right-hand side that it's telling you that it can hear me. So that's what we do want, because we want the sound that coming through Facebook Live while we are working on our actual mobile phone, dictating or showing, instructing our audience or viewers what it is that we are instructing through our cell phone or mobile device. So then you just would hit Go Live. Again, the public cannot see this on Facebook, so this is just for test view. And you'll see that it shows that you're live. So again, this is all that your audience would be able to see. they'll still be able to comment just the same as they would any other time. You can invite your friends, they can invite their friends, and if they're watching the replay, of course, they can share your broadcast as well. So the other night, I did a tutorial on how to use the Eraser app because I had a lot of people asking how to do that. So that's just one example of many reasons why you may want to connect your mobile phone with a Facebook Live. It allows you to have a clean, streamlined screen to be able to share with your viewers or your team when you're instructing. So we're going to go ahead and end the broadcast. And then you'll want to stop share for Zoom as well. And of course you want to click done so that it will post. And then Zoom converts another version of the recording, and that is in case you wanted to save it and upload it to, say, YouTube or another platform. So we're just going to minimize that for now. So that's it. That's my tutorial workaround, guys, on how you can share your mobile phone to Facebook. Now, normally, of course, there are other ways to do that. You can do that through a paid subscription through BeLive TV or through a pro version of Zoom. However, if you'd like to save a few dollars like I do, then this will provide you a cool workaround with just a couple of extra steps to be able to do the exact same thing.